How to stop subscription on Netflix. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can stop your subscription on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to stop your Netflix subscription, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open the Netflix application here. So once you launch a Netflix app, you're going to land on this page where you have to simply choose one of your profiles to log in. So just select them here. Once you select the profiles to log in, you just want to make sure to tap the account icon from the top right hand side of the screen, which is your profile icon. Once you tap the profile icon over here, you're going to find an option where it says account. So just make sure to tap on the account button. Now once you tap on account, it's going to take you to this page where you simply need to actually scroll down, and then here you'll find a section where it says cancel membership. So just tap on cancel membership. It'll ask you for a confirmation to cancel a membership, so just confirm it by tapping on finish cancellation. Now you might ask me that will it cancel right away or will it keep my membership till the end of this month? Well, let's say that you can see this is 29th of April, my subscription will take effect, right? That's because I get charged on the 29th of each month. So Netflix has already charged me for this month, so which means that my membership will remain active till the end of this month, which is the 29th in this case. In your case, your billing date could be different, right? So basically, if I cancel it now, let's say today's 21st, or let's say today's 19th, 20th, or any other date other than 29, it's going to keep my membership till the 29th, and then after that my cancellation is going to be effective, which means Netflix will simply stop charging me, because you've already been charged for this month. If you've already been charged for this month, then would you want your membership to be cancelled? Absolutely not. So they're going to keep till the end of this month, then after that on the next billing date it's just going to cancel it. So hope this video helped you understand your question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.